Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Shanda, and I've been on this GLP-1 weight loss journey since February 24th, when I weighed in at 270.2 pounds. And as of this morning, I am sitting at 104.6 pounds. That's 85.4 pounds down, guys. 85.4 pounds down. I'm just a few pounds away from that 90-pound mark. Woohoo! Can you guys believe it? I always feel this sense of excitement every day. It's hard for me to contain it. I'll talk to anybody who'll listen about these GLP-1 medications and how well they really do work. You just have to be willing to make some lifestyle changes. But if you do, you can absolutely hit the goals of your dreams. I'm living proof, and I'm so happy to be able to say that. This journey has been absolutely amazing, emotional, humbling, and sometimes downright painful, such as what I'm going through right now. I am having some pretty severe hip pain, especially on the right side. It has been giving me a really hard time. Some mornings I shuffle around like somebody's grandma. Well, I guess I am someone's grandma, but anyway, I'm slow, stiff, holding on to the dresser when I get out of bed in the morning. And then once I get moving again, it's like my body, if I feel better, my body has to boot up and warm up before it can move right. When I started feeling the hip pain, I did some digging, wanting to know if it was a possibility that it is a side effect. And guess what? It turns out some people on GLP-1s like myself, like Zepbound, do experience joint or hip pain. It's not super common, but it does happen. And from what I understand, when you lose weight quickly, your body's not just losing fat, you're also losing a little bit of muscle. And that muscle supports your joints. So while your body is celebrating, the progress, your joints are adjusting to their new normal, their new environment. Some research even says these meds can affect the tissues around the joints while your system is rebalancing. Nothing scary, just a part of the process. On top of that hip pain situation that I'm having, my body also stays sore all the time. And that's been going on for a couple of weeks, It's just like I'm fatigued. My body's sore. I'm fatigued. Not all the time, but a lot of the time. Like I wake up still tired and everything's tender. My son says it's because I'm not getting enough protein. He's a workout fanatic. So I said, all right, Mr. Fitness Guru, I'll take your word for it. So I've started adding a little chicken back into my diet. Maybe twice a week or so, once or twice a week, just depending on the week, to help me reach my 100 grams of protein a day goal a little bit easier. Because it is quite the challenge in just being a pescatarian. So I did start doing that. I don't know if I'm going to continue, but I'll see how I feel as time moves forward. So far, the soreness hasn't really changed yet, but, we'll see. I've only had it twice. I've only eaten the chicken twice, so I don't know. I haven't really given it enough time to really make any kind of determination. But I'm experimenting, and I'll let you guys know as I go along. My calorie intake, you guys, is still under 1,000 calories a day. And I know before anybody, says, oh, that's so unhealthy. I know that's low, and some would say, too low and not good for me, but my dietitian keeps an eye on everything and says as long as my labs look good, I'm okay. Everyone's body is different. What works for me, of course, might not work for you, and that's perfectly fine. I may have to, though, tweak some things due to the fatigue issues that are coming about. I mean, it's been almost 9 months. It's been 8.5 months that I've been 1,000 calories a day. So my body's probably beginning to take a toll on my body, and I may have to tweak some things. So I'm still visiting that, trying to see the route that I'm going to go, because I do want my body to feel better. Because right now, yes, I'm losing the weight, but my body's not feeling good. I'm just fatigued and I'm sore all the time. So I have to do something to rectify that. Has anybody experienced body aches and soreness or anything like that? And if you have, you guys let me know how you dealt with it. And are you having fatigue issues? I certainly am. So yeah, guys, 85 pounds down, just a few before 90. So super exciting. You know what, you guys? I may make 100 pounds by Christmas. It is totally a possibility at this point. So let's keep our fingers crossed, guys. Of course, I want to get there healthy. So I'm hoping by adding other things into my diet, trying to rectify this problem, it's not going to slow my process down. Or who knows, it may speed it up. We'll see, but I'll let you guys know. And so thanks again, guys, for watching. And I'll talk to you guys later.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, pretty.